Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by Rachel Terrell, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living, one step at a time.
Hi cozy friends, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be making a smoothie out of this book by Kimberly Elise called Scriptures and Smoothies. So we all know who she is, all right, and she's amazing. And we're going to be making this smoothie that's called So Very Grateful, as I most definitely am. So let's just read real quick about what she says about cranberries. Let me get my glasses because I can't see this that well. All right, so it says cranberries. I often make my own juice by mixing fresh cranberry juice with stevia. It's refreshing without the added sugar or preservatives. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants and they may help prevent urinary tract infections. They are also believed to promote healthy skin and good eye health. Oh, yes, I need that. And the drink is called So Very Grateful. It's sweet oranges, balanced tart cranberry for a holiday treat suitable for any time of year. All right, so let's make it. Let's do it. I'm excited because normally I've had this book for a while. I ordered this book probably a couple of months ago, but every time I would try to go and make a smoothie, I would never have all the ingredients for the smoothie. And so I wanted to, and I still don't. I'm missing the mint in this one, but it's okay. We're still gonna make it and it's still gonna be really, really good. All right. First thing is 1 cup fresh or frozen cranberries. Next is 1 sweet red apple. Next is 1 banana. I was going to use the frozen ones that I already have cut up, but I need to go ahead and, since I can't make no banana nut bread, I'm going to go ahead and use the 3 that I have over there. 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. And this is the grated ginger that I used before. So we'll just use that much. It says a teaspoon, that's about it. And next is a fresh mint leaf. I don't have that. 1 cup of fresh or frozen pineapple. So I do have fresh pineapple. Oh, this is probably going to be enough for now and later on. 1 cup of orange juice. Look how pretty that looks in there. All the different colors. And 1/2 cup to 1 cup of coconut water. So we're going to use a cup because this was the last little bit in that container that I had. So that was perfect. And she says you can use sweetener of choice. So I'm going with honey anytime I have a choice. All right, put a little bit in there. Okay. And you can boost it with protein powder or 1/2 cup of chopped kale. I do have some kale, so let me go ahead and boost it with some kale. You know what? Because I gotta use that kale for a recipe. So no, we won't do that. Okay. And then down here at the bottom, she has a scripture. Let me read it. And it says, "The one who says he abides in him ought himself to walk in the same manner as he walked." 1 John 2:6. Thank you, Kimberly, for that. All right, let's mix. All right, so we are done mixing. I always blend twice, so I like mine to be nice and blended. Let's see. Oh. Oh. This is really good. I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator while I clean up, because nobody told me content creating was so messy behind the scenes. But this is delicious. This is the book. I got it off Amazon. And it has lots of amazing recipes. Look how beautiful it is, all the colors. And this is the one we just made. So very grateful. Thanks for watching. Hello, cozy friends. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning we're going to make a smoothie out of smoothies, out of ah!